That completes the process of setting up your Minnesota LLC. You now have documentation emailed to you by the Secretary of State evidencing that your LLC exists. Now, are you done? No, because the tax authorities don't yet know about your entity, and so you have a duty to register with them generally. Now, you don't always do this, but most businesses will get an EIN. That's an employer identification number from the IRS. There's a process with the IRS website to get an EIN. It's very simple, kind of like what we just went through here. There are a few questions that need to be answered, but an EIN is what's required to open up a bank account in the name of your business. If you're going to have employees, you're going to elect to be taxed as an S Corp, or you're required to collect sales tax, then you need to also register with the Minnesota Department of Revenue. So that first tax number, the EIN, that's with the federal government. The second tax number is for the state government. And again, that's if you're going to be taxed as an S Corp, have employees, or collect sales tax. Obviously, the government decides if you're going to collect sales tax, not you. It depends on the type of services and generally products and goods that you're offering. A lot of services are not subject to sales tax, but some are. So, and that's a much more complicated analysis. Again, that's where an attorney comes in and says, hey, here's now what you need to do, and perhaps even does it for you.